Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Transformation T. I'm T. You know, today I have a killer workout for your legs. We are going to tone them. We are going to define them. We are going to straighten them. All that good stuff that's going to make your life your best life in 2018. Major key are those legs. Without further ado, let's jump right into the workout because no one likes long intros. Roll it! Alright, so I'm starting out here with a mobility stretch, and the way I do that is just by swinging that leg. It's good to get a mobility stretch before you start going into your static stretches, which are just when you stand still, like here. This workout is definitely quad dominant, so I'm being sure to really stretch those out nice and good. If you feel like you need more of a warm-up, feel free to step on the treadmill or the Stairmaster, do a little jog. Really, whatever you gotta do to feel warmed up, stretched, prepared. Here, when I tilt my foot out, that's working the outer leg, your hip flexors. It's a really great stretch that I recommend. You know, because we're about to get it, we're about to hit it hard. Those quads are going to be burning, but they're gonna be toned. Okay? Oh, also I hop on the leg extension, and I may do one leg with light weights just to still warm up my quads before I go into the actual workout. So this first move is on the leg extension machine. I found that before I come down, if I hold at the top right there and then come down, I feel more of a burn. Also, you can target different parts of your legs by turning your toes either inward or outward, working that inner thigh or outer thigh. Either way, your legs gonna be looking right and tight. You know, I got you. I got you. Alright, so the next move we're doing is a curtsy lunge. I'm doing 30 pulses of these on each leg, 2 times repeated. You want to keep your knee behind your big toe and your upper body as in line over your hips as possible. You don't want to lean too far back or too far forward. If you're having a hard time with balance, either go down in weight or drop the weights altogether and just practice key form, and that goes for all these moves. If you're having a hard time with balance, drop the weight and just focus on form. Next, I'm grabbing a kettlebell and we are going to be working on our squats. Now, I'm always checking my form. I saw that first squat was not that good because my knees were going too far forward. Think of it as sitting back in a chair. Always check your form. So if you have to start out with no weight or light weights, then go ahead. You want to keep your back straight, your shoulders up, and squat, and squat, and squat. And from there, we are going straight into a duck squat, really targeting those outer thighs. So, same thing, keeping your back straight. You don't want your knees to go too far past your feet, and you want to squat down as low as you can with your feet closer than shoulder width apart. Alright, and for this next move, we're grabbing the dumbbells again. I have to go light because I'm still working on this balance, you know. You want to keep your body in center, like right over your hips. You don't want to be leaning too far forward or too far back because that will help you with your balance and get a more effective lunge. Alright, our burnout is on this leg press machine. I don't know. We start out by doing a normal leg press to the front, really burning out those quads. Go heavy. Do not be afraid to go heavy. Then, reducing our weight significantly, we are going to be pressing with one leg. Same with going into a squat position. You don't want your knees too far over your feet. And then, of course, you're going to do the other leg, and that is one time through the circuit. Notice here that I'm actually turned more on my side, and I am pushing through that heel, really activating that outer thigh and that glute. Thank you guys for watching that video. Congratulations on finishing your workout, because I know that one was tough, but you did it. Or either that or you're just watching it at like 2 o'clock in the morning and you're thinking about whether you're going to do it. Then in that case, do the workout, and then you get the congratulations. I see you. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, blah, 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 you know the rest. Follow me on social media. I love you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.